Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney. I am doing a Thredup unboxing video. This is part 4 of 4. I ordered the 200-pound rescue box and they come in 4 separate 50-pound boxes. So, to recap, not great. So far, not horrible, but not great. The last box was probably the worst. If you have not watched the other 3, I will link them below. Go back and check those out. So I have separate piles here. I have definite list, look up, donation, past shows, and style encore and Plato's Closet. And currently that is the largest pile that I have. Yeah. So let's hope that box 4 is the winner. Fingers crossed. The tissue paper is stuck to the top, so there we go. Oh, and here's the, yeah, so I think in total I paid like $4.08 for it because I had a $30 credit. There we go. Okay, so we'll start with these shorts. Vera Moda in blue. Is it a skirt? It's a skirt. Okay. Size 38. I'm assuming is a European size. Play-Dohs. Sheen, size medium, flowy pants, Play-Dohs. This feels heavy, whatever it is. Boyish. Not seeing a size, but this feels nice and it's really cute. It's got like the puff sleeve. So I might look that up. Okay, like a faux leather jacket. Yeah, there's not a size, there's no information. We'll do Play-Dohs, they might take it. Literally, we're overflowing in the Style Encore and Play-Dohs pile. Simply Vera Wang, size small. They're like a moto legging. Style Encore? I don't know. We'll see. Sonoma, the everyday tee, petite small. I will ask my mom if she would like that. Isaac Mizrahi for Target. I got excited for a second. Size medium, just a little turtleneck. This is very dated because I think that he had a collab with Target for like, I don't know, years ago. So I could try it in a show. I don't know. We'll see. What's this? This has tags. American Eagle, size small. It's just a very basic little thermal. I think I'll do Play-Dohs. Because I've had some American Eagle New tag in my closet for a while that's sat. And I have it priced at like $10. Forever 21 size small. Just cute little skirt. That'll go to Play-Dohs. Oh. Roz and Alley, petite small. It's all beaded. Very dated. Donation. Wow. Okay. H&M size small. My mom will probably like that. I'll ask her. Okay, Worthington petite medium. I will try Style Encore, but I doubt it. Bella Doll size medium. I might do that in a show. Loft, no size, but they look small, so I'd say a small. Black pinstripe pants. I'll try Style Encore. I doubt they'll take them. Moral Fiber, size small. I don't know the brand. I will look it up. I'm very cautious to just toss things. Sweet Romeo, extra small. These stars on the sleeve. I'll look it up, but I don't think it's anything. All right, no tag. No size, no tag, no brand. I'd say it's probably a large just based on trying it on. And I kind of like this. I might keep this actually. It's good for fall. What is this? This took up a lot of weight, which kind of sucks. Alpine design. Okay, not horrible. Size medium. So that's like a hiking brand, I think. I will probably list this. Fall and winter are coming. Looks to be in good condition, so why not? Raga, size small. This is very like Y2K, and I might list it solely based on that. It's like velour details. I will look it up. That might actually do well. Marona, size 2. Little skirt. That's donation. I don't even think Style Encore would take that. Let's see. Time and True, extra large. I could try it in a show, just because it's an extra large and I don't usually have a ton of plus size inventory. It's hard to find. The limited denim, but it's like a chambray. It's not even a denim. It's 100% cotton. Size 8. Those will be Style Encore. Yeah, Sheen, size large. Okay, that's the back. Try Play-Dohs. They probably won't take it. They're very selective with Sheen. Lane Bryant. This is a lot of wear, I think. It's a size 22, 24. It's really cute, but it does show signs of wear, so I would hate to sell it. Yeah, I could try it in a show and just do it for like, no. I'll probably donate it. Yeah. Primark, size medium, donation. J. Crew Factory, size medium. Basic little lightweight cardigan. That's actually a good piece for a show. Someone might want it to bundle. Old Navy, size small. Little faux leather skirt. I'll probably do Play-Dohs or Style Encore. I don't know which one yet. Brandy Melville. But there is a stain. Nope, it was a fuzzy. Thought it was a stain. I'll probably do Play-Dohs. They like Brandy Melville. I mean, I don't know if they do. Oh, God. This seems very dated. Yeah, super old Old Navy tag. That's straight donation. Oh, boy. So far, one piece to list from this box. Wainscot, size medium. This looks vintage. I'll look it up. Charlotte Russe, extra large. That is a donation. No one's gonna take that, unfortunately. Sheen, size large. This is like very on trend, that like open beachy top, so that might go on a show, or I might keep that. I don't know. We'll see. Lush, size medium. Donation. Lush, size small. Maybe a show. I'll put them both in the show pile. No, because that one has stains. That's a donation. Okay. Just kidding. Lush, size small. This one I'll put in the show. I don't see any staining on it. Lush, size small. Okay. Okay, Lush, size small. Getting all the Lush stuff. We'll put that in a show. Ann Taylor Factory, size medium. It's got some pilling. We'll try Style Encore. Time and True, size small. Little camo. That'll go on a show. That's cute. Gap, size large. I will keep this. Just a little basic pocket tee. It feels really soft. Okay. What is this? Forever 21, size large, little pants. Play-Dohs. Tags have been cut out of this. It feels really soft. It's a hooded little cardigan, poncho-esque thing. Oh no, it's a cardigan. I might list it and take measurements, or it'll go in a show, so. Wild Fable, size small, but it is new with tag. However, the hygienic liner is gone. I'll try Play-Dohs. Studio Y. That's odd. We're gonna donate. I don't think that's even gonna get us anything. This feels really silky. Zigu, size large. Or Zigu. I'll look it up. Oh, Bianca. I'm not familiar. I'll look it up, but it'll probably be a Play-Dohs. Forever 21, size medium. That's a donation. It is so worn and pilled. Liz Baker, 3X. It looks vintage. I will look it up. So a lot of loud fabric. Tag was cut out, of course. Target. Doesn't have a size, but does have a style name. I don't know. Like, what is this? Is it a robe? It's a wrap dress. Try it on. Yeah, it's a wrap dress. I can try it in a show if I can figure it out. All right. New Tag Champions, $40 retail. Sacred Heart University. Size small. I might list that. Never know. Oh God. Old Navy size medium. That is not good. Donate. Massimo size large tube top. Donation. Okay, we have a jacket here. I'm pretty sure there's money in the pocket. There's definitely money in the pocket. Okay, here it is. So we made some money. This feels nice. I mean, I'll have to check all the zippers and stuff. I don't even know the brand. Bly Britain, B by Britain. It looks really nice. It's a size small. Dry Ride. Oh, it's Burton, not Britain. Burton. Oh yeah, I'll list that for sure. Looks really nice as long as all the zippers work. Yep, we're good. That's a good one. Okay, one decent thing right now. Hippie Rose size small. Can try it in a show. We'll shacket. Shackets are very in right now. Oof. Great American Sportswear Y2K skirt. That's a donation. Forever 21 size small. Basic little bodysuit. I can try Play-Dohs. Like I said, I don't think they take bodysuits, but I can try. Maurice's size small. Just donation. Sheen size medium. Little heart top. It's cute, but I'll try Play-Dohs. Don't think they'll take it. Alright guys, this box is sucking bad. Time and True. Extra, extra large. Donation. Okay, I got excited. New tags, but it's H&M. It's an extra large tee. I might keep this. Just easy throw on t-shirt. Okay, Mango, new tags. Extra large tee as well. That one I will probably put in a show. Revamped. No size. Donation. We'll try Play-Dohs for this. Vinyl icons. Strawberries. Little graphic tank. Play-Dohs might take that. Sheen. I'm donating that. That's not even gonna make it to Play-Dohs. Okay, where there's no tag. This is kind of cute though. It's like beaded, open front. There's literally not a single tag in here. So I might look it up with like a reverse image search and see if something comes up. It just is cute. If not, I can put it in a show. Eric Taylor. Extra large. I don't know if Eric Taylor is good, but I'll look it up. Cynthia Rowley. Size tag is cut out. Can try it in a show though and just measure it. It's kind of cute. J. Crew Factory, size 0. It's cute, but that'll go to Style Encore. Collection by Bobo. Size large. Just a little tank. Might do a show. Okay, no tags. Honestly looks like J. Crew to me though. It's a size small. We're gonna donate those though. It's a bathing suit top. No tag whatsoever. Oh, just that it's a size small. I'll try Play-Dohs. J. Crew. Extra small. Play-Dohs. Or Style Encore. Faded Glory. Extra large. That's donation. It's all pilled and yeah. Wow. Okay. Again, I think vintage dead stock. It was being sold for $100. Andrea Jovine, size small. I might look it up and might post it around New Year's and be like, oh, great New Year's dress. We'll see. Oh, Brandy Melville. We'll try Play-Dohs. This is kind of cute. That like, it's like academia core. Not seeing any tags, but it's cute. And it'll be easy to reverse image search because it's very unique. I'll try it. You never know. It feels pretty decent. Joseph A. Donation. Old Navy, extra small little skirt. Midi length. That'll go to Style Encore. Glassons, extra small. I mean, the tag looks pretty decent, so I will look it up. Not that it'll get me much, it's like a tiny little tee. This feels nice. BB Dakota, Steve Madden, size large. Oh, no, it's like an athletic dress. These are very trending. It has the shorts underneath, so I will look that up. You know what, I'll probably just list it. An easy list, why not? Mellow Day, extra small. I might look that up. Adam Lips. I think that's a good brand. It's 100% merino wool. Yeah. I'm gonna look that up. Brandy Melville. Play-Dohs. One of those 36 Triple D bras again. I'll list it. Why not? That's really all I'm getting out of this. Love Sia, size small, donation. Wow, what is this? Oh God. I have no words. Okay. There's no tag. Like none. Oh, over here. AEFFE. 100% cotton. Watch. I'm going to look this up and it's going to be something insane. I doubt it, but I'll look it up. Hinge, size small. Donation. It's just a basic tank top. You can't do much much of that. This looks horribly worn. Yeah, Forever 21 1X. That's just going to donation. An athletic wear top, but there's no tag from what I'm seeing here. Oh, there is. No brand. No brand, no size, no nothing. I literally have no idea. I'll send it to Plato's or Style Encore. I think I have like 3 things left in here. This is sad. Oh, I think this is a Beyond Yoga tag. I can never remember what the flower is, but I'll look these up. I think it's, but they feel really nice, so. Oh, God. Rag and Bone. Okay, you redeemed yourself. It's an extra small, but it's like a denim dress, and it's super cute. It just needs to be lint rolled. But, yeah, this is a good one. I will list that. God, at least one decent thing. Okay, 3 things left. H&M Basic, that'll go to Style Encore, and Wild Fables, size small. We'll try Plato's. I doubt they'll take it. Last but not least, Uniqlo, size small, new a tag, $39 retail. Feels linen. I bet it is. Yep, 100% linen. I might list that solely based on the fact that it's linen. Okay. So, overall, I'm not impressed. I got some, I mean, my list pile is decent, and it's some decent brands, nothing extraordinary. In my last couple boxes that I've done the 50-pound boxes. This is my first time doing the 200-pound box. The 50-pound boxes, I've gotten like some really good pieces. Like I had a $400 blazer that was new with tags that sold for like $200 in my closet. So this one, I didn't get those type of pieces. And I'm wondering if that's because I just ordered so much. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if it's worth it to do the 200 pounds. It is cheaper, however, in the long run, because per box it was roughly $100, where if you bought it the 50-pound box by itself, it's $160 with tax and shipping. So I'm saving $60 per box, but am I getting the best stuff? I don't know. I don't know how many pieces I got. I will try to figure that out afterwards, and if I do, I will add to this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to continue to do these videos in the future, as long as it works. So again, thank you guys so much. And if you could, I know this is the cheesiest YouTube line to say, but like, comment, and subscribe.